Wagwan people, blessed love and welcome to the channel. I'm back. Yeah man, we're there again, but I want to welcome you see it. I want to give thanks to all our people who take the time out to just bring the channel subscription up to the 3,000 mark, and for that more I have to say enough respect, enough gratitude. You see it. Yeah man, I want to say give thanks and much appreciation. You see it. All of the fellow content creator them who shout out and send people over here. You see it, like Auntie Pauline, Marlon, my brother, Daddy Gargan, and all of the people them out there who contribute and encourage people to come over. You see it, me not left out my brother Wayne seeing wait. You see it, cause you don't know, you know. Yeah man, much respect to that brethren there. You see it, and all of the people them who give that shout out there, wants a respect. But at the same time, we are going to talk about some of the things them where we see the surface in our community, in the social space. You see it, because trust me, as Jamaican vloggers differently still, more time we don't realize the power and the weight what the words what we put out have on, you understand, the how people look into what we are doing, them kind of thing. You see, because more time differently still. You see that thing here where we call reaction still. It's a thin line there between giving your opinion on things and kind of want to bring out your envy seeing way to against people. The line is so thin. It just blurry differently still. You see it? And if you not look carefully and if you not tread carefully, enough of things and what we do, it might come out to personal grudge or some personal vendetta, or it come down to some little schemy kind of thing where you come, like I say, a borderline bad mind and then sitting there. You see, so a whole heap of little envy and then kind of sitting there, me say, kind of display and carry out in a how we carry out, we think of what we are say, we are review and we are react to people things. And then we vex when time some action get taken. So if somebody takes some action against something where they feel like I say is a infringement on them creativity and them kind of thing, then now we start to use we expectation or we perception to judge things. And basically that I want to talk about today. And in regards to the kind of criticism what we say the Mwango commander from mainly our Jamaican reactors and review content creators. You see it? Because differently. You see, we can go around and expect say people go live off of our expectations or live off of our perceptions. You see it? A whole heap of way, all the way most of the time, we use bits and pieces of people's content to illustrate whatever point we are trying to get across. So whether it be good or whether it be bad, you find say people grab a piece of content from somebody, talk about it, react on it, and whatever. A lot of the time, we as Jamaican people, we do things out of articleness. See? And enough of time, we not believe in our craft to the point where we start to tick all of the boxes and that all of the eyes when it come on to protecting our content or our creativity. See? So you see the ones them who choose to protect them things, we can use the personal feelings and go against them because they choose to protect them things. See? And we have to encourage wrongdoing and defend people when they find themselves in the wrong. You say if you find yourself in the wrong, just hold a little humble, man. You see it? And accept whatever consequence come with it. Because watch ya. You see, not because the girl they do vlogs on Jamaica and she talk about Jamaican lifestyle and anything. You see it? She not owe none of we no obligation. They have no expectation upon her. And she live up to that expectation what we have. See? So not because she talk about Jamaican, not because she vlog about Jamaica, you know, give non-Jamaican exclusive right over the content where she create. So if she got through the right procedures and protect our creation, she is in all right to do that. And not because we are Jamaican, it give us no right over the use of our content. Whether we think say she like we or she dislike we or not. See? She can't take no abuse of the system because guess what? Once she report anything where she thinks is a violation of our property to YouTube, YouTube go look into it and take the relevant action. See? Because guess what? The property belong to the girl. And that copyright basically meaning it's just a law what protect your intellectual property. See? So once you create that thing there, you have the choice and the option of protecting that. You have the right and the choice of protect it. You understand? And if she decides say she not care whether somebody talk good or bad about her, she don't want nobody use her content. It is all within our rights. See? So it come down to now personal thing now with spot you think say you and her upon one understanding where you probably can reach out to her and ask her to retract that strike the way you get. If you not do that, cause it reach down to personal now, you know, we spot it go come down to you and her on a personal level go reason out that. Cause you take it upon yourself to use our content, and by using our content, you now violate the right what she used to protect our content. So if that happen, me not think say it right for we now start to make them things that look like say is a cultural clash now, or is a cultural difference now, where we start to draw a line between the African vlogger them versus Jamaican vlogger. Like say African and Jamaican no one. Don't forget Peter Tosh song all of a sudden now. All of a sudden we forget Peter Tosh song them. Cause watch here, you see, this is one I think where me not like different is still. Are the double standard in a how we look past on things differently. Cause you see people in a free culture, what we call Jamaican culture. Cause all of them sitting here social construct, you know. You don't realize they're sitting there. Nationality and them sitting there where you see you round here celebrate. And I go on like on a patriotic too. You don't realize a social construct for divide we from each other. And then all of them little things are now playing. And we start to make the little separation them. And I say, are the African them this and the African girl and the funny name girl and all kind of stupidness them what we are hear people attack. See? We see in a free culture where people make an entire career. Not even one person that we are talking about. People make career out of advocating African culture, celebrating African culture, documenting African culture, documenting African literature, advocating for people live African way in a Jamaica. But when it come on to that now, we not see that as appropriation of African culture, none of them sitting there now. But now we start to point with finger upon the girl now and I start say the girl a thief Jamaican culture and I make money and I get subscription off of Jamaican culture. And she no love Jamaican. Oh, that come in when time we not hear the girl say nothing discriminatory against Jamaica. All she do a highlight how people live in a Jamaica and they kind of love what she profess, what she have about Jamaica. Whether we think say she look fake or she act fake or whatever, that has some little difference now. Them they sitting there come under some little personal kind of little feelings now. Because we can't go by feelings, you know. We have to go by what we see people do. You see it? A people action we are judge people by. We not judge people by how we feel about them. We feel like I say them no genuine. We feel like I say they're fake. Of how people live, of what people do, of them kind of things there. We see people are speculate about personal things where that shouldn't even become no public conversation. Where people are going to speculate say because she and Keno are in love and then fall out. No, because of that she go strike some other Jamaican. How the connection in them things they come in. How we connect the whole thing to Keno and the woman them will get strike. What kind of connection did they saw? Oh, probably I miss something different still. But even if how that become like a cultural thing now, where it look like I said now because the girl is not a Jamaican, she not have no right for protect her own things. Yo, you see, if Jamaican people want to go to Africa go do vlog, me no see which party should they have no problem. Just like how we say Jamaica uncle or whatever the virgin name. They in Africa, they in Ethiopia, all over Africa do same thing. How that different from the girl coming to Jamaica for vlog? How it different from some people there in America and as Jamaican and them go around and them show you things where they go on in America, them show you different spot them in America, show you how that different. And how as Jamaican we own no kind of exclusive right over somebody doing something where them feel like I say it can work for them. And I like say them a do the people them are the culture no kind of disservice differently still. Now you'd have reason for question their motive and them kind of things. But when time you not see none of that. And because of whatever reason, the woman feel like I say, her property need to be protected and she don't want nobody use it. If she don't want nobody use it and you get a strike, guess what, woman? Just accept your strike and know say, alright, you know, say, some people things we must avoid. Cause not because a lot of our content creator within our circle not choose for protect for them property and we can use it here, there and everywhere and them not say nothing. It no mean say because them not say nothing it okay for everybody either. You see it? And we can go around now and start to live with life. Thinking say whatever we perceive or expect from people, it have to go work the way how we think say it for work. And we can't defend when time somebody do something and cause a violation and then we go just attack the person who they protect their right. Because that them have their right. And if them protect their right of owning their craft and they don't want nobody use their craft, just love it, man, and just know. Say, alright, you know, say them people are different still. Not to meld with them thing and whatever, you see it? Because most of the time when time we are talk about the other content creator them, you know. More time we promote them more than anything else, you know. You see it? So if we take for them video and we are talk about them, most likely we are promote them. Whether we are talk bad about them or we are talk good about them will get some level of notoriety. People are go question who them there or who that you are talk about. And then go check out who you are talk about. You see it? So if them no want you to talk about them, so be it. If them no want you to use them content, so be it. You understand? You have other ways how you fi navigate and create your own thing. So whatever you put out, you can now own the right to exclude people from using it. If I saw you choose for do, you see it? But we can't just spin off them things and I want to make it look like I said. We are going to go into one culture clash now where we start to talk some kind of way against the African people them now and make it look like I say African vloggers and Jamaican vloggers going at it and against each other. You see, them kind of things there where people always want to stir up, man. Some are just unnecessary, man, and unwarranted, man. You see? And if you stop search and fish for things to eat people. You see it? Because most of what I hear differently still, me not hear nothing with no substance for say the girl if you get certain kind of criticism or come under certain kind of scrutiny where we have bring them under for what? So that's why I say somebody come like a envy differently still, is it? And we have to be careful how we talk some of them things are differently still because it shows us some of we not good enough with differently still, you know? Because anytime we say good, we always try to find one way how to bring some bad to it and try to bring it down. And it come like I say some people just dep on a campaign for search and destroy differently still. You see, because I don't know. People can tell me what to think in the comment section still, is it? Because you don't know. We're open for conversation, you see it, so yeah. If something me miss where me should have catch up on, let me know in the comment section. So in the meantime, I'm gonna go and bless up on yourself and take care of yourself, take care of the family, is it? And remember, man, no care where you come from, as long as he is a black man, he is African. And creation starts from Africa. And you understand? So everybody have their roots there. So we have to be careful of some of the things them we have. You understand? Somebody divide them and they set them, man. Stop using social construct them where system make up and Babylon make up and put power with a divide and rule with each other, and you understand, bring separation. Love out them kind of thing them, man, you see? And if somebody have something where you dislike a person for that purpose there, the reason there, or not just deal with it for the reason there, man. And you understand, don't think say violation go cause, you understand, if everybody violate each other, how we go learn and come away from it, is it? So alright, don't go and bless up on yourself, is it? More love and more strength.